So I've seen online a few videos, people wondering the plunge cut on this Ridgid saw. The lever here bottoms out, and they're trying to figure out how to adjust it. You don't have to get the T20 bolt here. All you have to do is lift the lever, turn it a little bit, and it gives you that extra room to lock it in and unlock it. You don't even have to mess with this. It's all right here. Just lift it. It's got an internal spring that presses it back into place when you turn it. It's like that. That's how it's designed. You don't have to touch this at all. Hope that helps somebody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.